dear students, welcome back in our today's mathematics class. Students, in this video we are going to do our exercise 9.4, and again this exercise is very simple. In this exercise what we have to do, like in 9.2 and 3 we have a question on the basis of bar graph, and we have given the answer after seeing the bar graph and the table, right? And in this exercise we have a questions to draw a bar graph. Means one table is given to you, and on the basis of table we have to prepare one bar graph. That's it. Okay, it's very simple to make a bar graph by taking a scale. Sometimes the scale is already given to you in your question, and sometimes you can take the scale by your choice. Okay, so when we do the question, I'll tell you how. So let's start our exercise 9.4. So 9.4, the question number 1, we have a survey of 120 school students was done to find out which activity they prefer to do in their free time. So one information, one survey is there, right student? And according to survey, what they have done, that playing, the playing activity 45 students like the most to do in the free time, reading storybooks by 30 students, watching TV by 20, listening music by 10 students, and painting by 15 students. So this is the table, right? What is the question? Draw a bar graph using the scale 1 unit length is equals to 5 students. So it is mentioned to you, you have to take 5, 10, 15, 20. Means 0 to 5, 1 unit length, 5 to 10, again 1. So 1 unit length you will take 5 students. So it's very easy, it's already given to you. So let's start first of all to make a bar graph. For bar graph, first of all, you make a horizontal line, that is called y-axis, and then make x-axis, right? So along the axis, what you are going to take, that you have to mention. Suppose I am taking this activity along x-axis. So along axis I am taking activities, right? And along y-axis I am taking number of students, right student? Now take, first of all, scale you will make. This is 0, where both the axis meets, that is called origin. Start from 0. So 0 to 5, 5 to 10, 10 to 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, and then 45. Because it's given to you that one, then you take 5 students. Okay. So we have taken 5 student gap. Now first of all, playing is 45. So you will start from x-axis till 45. This is your activity play. Right student? Inside you can write, or outside, here your choice only. Reading storybooks 30. Where is 30 scale? Here. So in front of 30 you will make reading storybooks. Right student? Next is TV is 20. In front of 20 you will make this bar graph. Then 10, where is 10? So here is in copy, it's very easy to make because in copy you have a lines, right? And painting by 15 students. So here is 15. Right students? So it's very simple. Inside it you can write their activities, reading storybooks, TV, listening music, painting. Okay student? So this is about our bar graph for this question. Very simple. Now coming to next question. Which activity is preferred by the most of the students other than playing? Playing is most, but it is given rather than playing, which is other activity which is liked by the most of the students. 30. 30 is means reading storybooks. So you will write reading storybooks is preferred by most of the students other than playing. That's it. It's very simple student. In previous exercise we have a question on the base of bar graph, then you have to give the answer. But here we have to draw the bar graph, which is very simple only. Right student? I hope you understood how to make a bar graph. Right? So this was about question number 1. Question number 2 is homework for you, because This question again we have same type of question. Table is mentioned to you and you have to prepare a bar graph. That's it. Okay. So this was about our question number 1 and 2. Now coming to our next question. Now coming to our question number 3. Following shows the number of bicycles manufactured in the year 1998 to 2002. So this is the data which shows this information. Right? Illustrate the data using bar graph. It means on the basis of this table you have to make a bar graph. Okay, and scale is not mentioned to you. You have to take the scale by your own. What is scale, student? The gapping. So 0 to 50, 50 to 100. What gap? 1 unit length. How much you are taking? And it's very important. It should be same from starting till end. If you are taking 5 gap, it should be remain 5 gap only throughout. If you are taking 10 gap, so it should be 10 remain same. Scale should be equal. Right, student? So this is the table. On the base of this table, we will make a bar graph first of all. One y-axis and one x-axis. Right? Along the x-axis, I am going to take here. So you will mention this side, this x-axis side I am taking here, and along the y-axis I am taking number of bicycles manufactured. You have to write also, students. It's very important. Number of bicycles. This information is very important, that which side you are taking for what. Right? Now start to take scale. As you can see, the lowest number is 600 and the highest number is 12. So the gap should be bigger only. If you take 0 to 5, 5 to 10, so the bar graph will be very large. Okay, so as you can see, 600, 800, 900, everyone is in 100. Every number is in 100. So 100 gap we can take. It means 1 unit length is equals to 100 bicycles. Right, student? So let's start. This is always 0. That is origin. Right? 100, 200, 300, 400, 500, 600, 700, 800, 9, 1000, 1100 and then 1200. Right, student? We took. Now start to take 1998 is 800. Where is 800 here? So in front of 8 you can make a, so this is called 1998. Right? After that 9600, where is 6 in front of 600? You will make a bar graph. So this is 1999 here, sold 600. Right? Above also you can write 600, 800. And after that 2000 is 900. Where is 900? Here is 900. So 900 will be 2000 here. Right, student? Then 2001, 1100. Here is 1100. So it is 1100, 2001 and 1200 is 2002. That's it, student. 1200. So this is the bar graph for this table. Very simple, right? Now coming to the question. Which year were the maximum number of bicycle manufactured? Which year, student? 2002. So you will write in the year 2002 maximum number of bicycle manufactured. In which year were the minimum number of bicycle? Minimum is 600. So that is 1999. That's it, student. I hope you understood how to make a bar graph. It's very simple only, right? So this was about question number 3. Now coming to our next question. Now coming to our question number 4. Number of persons in various age groups in the town is shown in the table, given table. It means 1 to 14 age group. These many number of persons are there. 15 to 29, 1,60,000. 30 to 44 age group, 1,20,000 people are there, persons are there. So this is the table, and draw a bar graph for this table by taking 1 unit length is equals to 20,000. As you can see, the scale is very high, like 1,60,000, 2 lakh, so it's very difficult, right? So for your help, it is mentioned that 1 unit length you will take 20,000. So it means you will make first of all this zeros start with 20,000, then 40, because the gap will be of 20 equal only. First you take 20,000 gap, so 22s are 40, 60,000, 80,000, 1 lakh, 1 lakh 20, 1 lakh 40 till 2 lakh only. 1 lakh 80 and then 2 lakh. So like this you will take the scale and then number of persons, the age group, first scale 2 lakh 1 to 14 age group. So after that the same manner you will make a complete the bar graph. Right student? So this question is homework for you. I thought I should discuss with you because here the question is little bit different, because here is intervals are there, so you will think what is that. Okay, so interval doesn't matter, the method is same only, right? And the scale is already given to you, so it's very simple. And after that 2 more questions are also there. On the basis of this table you will give the answer, which is very simple only. Right student, I hope you understood how to make. Right? Scale is also given to you. Take the proper scale and make a very nice bar graph for this. Right? So, this was about question number 4, and this question is the last question for this exercise 9.4. And I hope student you got how to make a bar graph. This is very simple exercise and we have completed chapter 9 as well. Okay, so do your homework question very nicely, and after that we will take the test also. Wear it well. Thanks so much for watching student. Bye bye and take care.